Today we're going to be filming a very serious nail tutorial. If you or someone you know is battling with suicidal thoughts, depression, things like that, seek help. Things down the road, it doesn't seem like it now, are going to get better. Someone's out there to talk to you. Someone's out there to be with you. I promise it. At the end of the video, I'm leaving some numbers, and if you need any kind of help or someone to talk to, you can call one of those numbers and get some help. I also know that it may feel like that you have no one that cares, but that's not true at all either. Someone out there does care, even if it's not like a close person in your family. Our family has personally been affected by suicide, and I want you to get help. I care about you, and your story is not over yet. Well, the first thing you're going to want to do is paint your nails white. We're also going to be doing a layer of the latex tape around our cuticle area because we're doing a smush mani. And I'm just going to quickly apply that, let it dry, and then on to the next step. We're taking our clear stamper from Pueen, and we're taking a white, a black, and a silver glitter. We're going to randomly place our dots on our mat, and then we're going to take the stamper and smush all the polish together. And this really makes a unique design. You just stamp it right onto the nail, and it also dries pretty quickly too because it's actually thin layers of polish. And sometimes you come out with some really neat looking designs. Now I'm just cleaning the area with a lint roller. I'm taking that right off of my silicone mat, and I'm now moving on to the next nail. Same thing, we're just going to randomly place polish, smush them with our stamper, and apply them to the nail. And again, randomly placing the polish, and then we're going to smush them all together and randomly stamp them on the nail. I thought that one was pretty cool, and then I stamped over top of it. I like this really cool like spirally effect going on. And now we're going to move on to working on our semicolon, and I'm using a toothpick, and the trick here is to actually get the polish to kind of ball up on the end of it, and then it becomes kind of like a nail dotting tool. And we make our circle, and then I'm going to make another circle right below that one, and then we're going to make its little hook tail, and there's our semicolon. Super easy to do. I just wanted to shed some light on suicide awareness, and there are people available to talk to you, be there for you. So we're going to finish by cleaning up, and I just took the lint roller to remove that latex tape as well. Super easy. And we clean the cuticles up. We are going to apply our top coat, and I'm going to give the semicolon a bit more time to dry before I apply top coat, so that's why you don't see me top coat it here. And then we're going to apply some cuticle oil because we dried the heck out of them cuticles, removing the polish from them. And that's it. That's the finished look. I thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, found it helpful, and know the signs. Look out for your friends and family. Be there for somebody. Do something kind every single day, multiple times a day for people. You never know what something someone's going through. Thank you guys for watching. God bless.